Oh my goodness, look at the clock. The alarm didn't go off.
Huh? What's going on?
It's 6:45. The flight is at 9. We have to run.
9? Seriously? Okay, everybody up. Action stations.
Ben, Lily, get out of bed now.
Mom, it's too early. Surely it's Saturday.
It is Saturday, but we're flying to Japan today.
Japan? Sushi and robots?
Yes. But only if you get dressed in 2 minutes.
I'm awake. I'm awake. Where is my blue backpack?
By the door. And Lily, please put on your sneakers.
I can't find the left one.
Check under the bed, princess. It's always hiding there.
Found it. Thanks, Dad.
Passports, wallets, camera, coats. Did we pack the coats?
Yes, in the red suitcase. And snacks for the plane?
In my purse. We need energy.
Mom, I packed my video game and my lucky coin.
Great, honey. Lily, are you ready?
I packed my sketchbook and my fluffy bear.
Just the bear? Did you pack socks?
Oops, I forgot socks.
She wants to freeze in Tokyo.
Not the time for jokes, Mark. Is the Uber here?
Just checked. He's outside waiting.
Already? I haven't even washed my face.
Mom, you look beautiful. Let's go.
You're sweet, Ben. Okay, grab the bags. Quick check. Passports?
Got them.
Wallet? Coats? Phone chargers?
Got it.
Got it.
Good. Let's move.
Stop! My headphones!
Oh dear, where are they?
On the kitchen table.
I'll run and get them. Go to the car.
Good morning. Heading to the international airport?
Yes, Terminal 1, please. As fast as you can legally go.
No problem. We'll take the highway.
Okay, team, breathe. We are on our way.
I can't believe it! Tokyo! I want to see a ninja!
Maybe we will. This is your first big trip overseas.
Is the flight very long?
Pretty long. Lots of movies and sleeping time.
Good. I want to watch 3 movies.
Maybe 2 movies and some sleeping, okay? Ugh, look at this traffic jam.
Don't stress. The map says we are 15 minutes away.
Dad, what will we eat in Japan?
Sushi, ramen, tempura, and lots of rice.
I want to eat those fish cakes.
And I want to visit the electronic city. Akihabara?
You? More gadgets? No way.
Just looking, I promise. Maybe a small camera.
And vending machines. I heard they have machines for everything.
Deal. We will try every vending machine.
Japan is fantastic. Very clean, and polite.
You have visited?
My brother lives there. The trains are amazing. Just remember to bring power adapters.
Oh no. Mark, did you pack the adapters?
I think so. I'll buy a universal one at the duty-free shop. Crisis averted.
But don't lose the boarding passes, please.
Safe in my pocket. Relax, Sarah.
We made it. Thank goodness.
Look! I see the control tower.
Here you go. Terminal 1, departures.
Thanks a lot. Okay, kids, stay close.
Can we get a donut? Can we get a comic book?
Let's get our bags checked first. Then donuts.
Wow, this place is huge. It sounds like a giant beehive. Look at the big screens. So many cities.
Yes, London, Paris, New York. But we want Tokyo.
There is the counter. All Nippon Airways.
Dad, what happens at the counter?
We weigh our suitcases and they give us the magic tickets to get on the plane.
And then we fly?
Not yet. Then we go through the security scanners.
Is that scary?
Not at all. It's like a special photo machine for your bags.
To see if I have a lion in my bag.
Exactly. No lions allowed on the plane.
Okay. My bear is not a lion.
Correct. Bears are allowed.
Hello there. Where are you headed?
Hi. We are going to Narita, Tokyo.
Wonderful. Passports, please.
Here are 4 passports.
Thanks. Just these 2 bags to check?
Yes, the gray one and the red one.
Put them on the belt, please.
Fingers crossed. I packed a lot of shoes.
It is 22 kilograms. Just under the limit.
Phew. That was close.
Here are your passes. Gate 45. Boarding in 40 minutes. Thank you very much.
Okay, security line. Everyone ready?
Laptops out, tablets out.
Do I take off my belt?
Yes, and empty your pockets.
Even my luck penny?
Even the penny. You can get it back after.
Please put all liquids in the bin.
Oh, Ben, finish your water bottle now.
No water allowed through, sorry.
Ow, I was thirsty.
We'll buy more inside. Let's go.
We are through. Time to relax.
Donut time?
Yes, I need a cappuccino. Kids?
Chocolate donut. Pink donut with sprinkles.
Okay, grab a table. I'll get the treats.
Flight ANA 808 to Tokyo is now boarding at Gate 45.
Drink up, that's our call.
Let's go! Japan, here we come.
Okay, team, have your passes out.
Flight ANA 808 to Tokyo is now boarding at Gate 45.
Welcome aboard. Please stow your carry-on luggage And take your seats.
Ben, you're by the window. Lily, you're in the middle.
Cool. I can see the baggage trucks. They look like Lego cars.
Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Oh, the engine is loud.
Just hold my hand, sweetie. Here we go.
Whoa! We are going so fast!
And lift off. Goodbye, ground.
Can I get you any refreshments?
Yes, apple juice for the children, please. And tea for me.
Do you have any peanuts? Thanks.
Look at the clouds. It looks like snow. Can we open the window?
Definitely not. It's very cold and windy outside.
Are you okay, Mark? You look pale.
Just a little bumpiness. And I hate turbulence.
It's fun, like a trampoline.
It will stop soon. Close your eyes.
Yeah. Okay.
Dad, look down. Is that the ocean?
Yes, that's the Pacific Ocean.
Pretty amazing, right?
We are beginning our descent into Tokyo Narita. Please return to your seats.
I see lights. Millions of lights.
Welcome to the Neon City. Let's grab the bags from the carousel.
I see the red one. Grab it, Mark.
My legs feel wobbly.
That's just jet lag, honey.
All bags collected. Let's find customs.
I see a sign with funny writing. That's Japanese, silly.
Look for the driver. He should have a sign.
Smith family. No. Jones. No.
What about that one? Mark and Sarah Wilson.
Hello? Mr. Wilson.
Close enough! Yes, that's us. Wait. My name is Mark Wilson with 2 L's.
Welcome to Japan. Sorry about the spelling.
No problem at all. We are just happy to be here.
Lead the way, my friend.
The van is right this way.
Wow, step outside. It's so crisp and fresh.
Look at that car. It looks like a box.
They have cool cars here.
Next stop, Shinjuku Prince Hotel.
We actually did it.
Across the world in one day.
Tokyo. Sushi time.
Tomorrow, Ben. Tonight we sleep.
And so begins their journey in the land of the rising sun.